Alright guys, so I got the plastics for the Scrambler here, and I was gonna just show you guys and do a walk around of them before I do the finished product. So here is the before of them. I already got the seat done. That's looking real nice. And just gonna show you guys what they look like. I gotta take the flaps off, but just gonna show you guys how faded they are. And then that one's got a little crack right up there, and this one's got a crack right there. But they've been off the machine for like 2 months now, maybe even longer. And it's time to get them done. And since it's raining out, or about to storm out, it's windy out, and I can't paint the boat right now. So I'll finally get this done. And then the four-wheeler will be closer to done, well, closer to being done. And then who knows, maybe I'll work on the boat seat tonight too. And we'll just see how this goes. So here is the before, and I'm see what I can do here. Alright, so I got everything unbolted from him, and I got the rear tail light off, and everything's off of him. It's just that sticker, and then the nose piece has those stickers on it still. But I am actually, what I had in mind was wrapping them instead of trying to buff them out or paint them and stuff. I figured I could give it a try and see how it goes, and see if I can't get the hang of it. So that's the whole plan, is I'm going to try and wrap them and see how I can do. And I think it'd be cool to learn how to do it. And if I am able to do this, maybe try my truck in the future. So I just got to see how this goes. And I don't know, maybe the wrap I have is cheap and won't work, or maybe I'll mess up and have to come up with something else. But figured it's worth a try, and to see how it goes. And then I also have a graphics kit if it actually turns out good. So that's the plan. I got to clean them up really good and get all the dirt off of them, and make sure that the stickers are off. That's just a few left, so I'll try and get that done, and see if I can't get it done tomorrow while I'm waiting for the paint to dry on the boat. So I'll try to get it done real soon here.